Today I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make your own bars of soap using melt and pour soap base. So I like to mix the goat's milk base and the shea butter base. So I'm going to take a half a pound of each and I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces and I'm going to put it in a microwave safe dish. And I'm going to start microwaving the soap for 30 seconds at a time. And you can see after just 1 or 2 30-second intervals, it wasn't quite melted yet, so I put it in some more. And I keep mixing and microwaving until it reaches about 150 to 160 degrees. I like to add in some of my dried flowers just for a little something extra. Here's some lavender that I grew in the garden. And I'm also going to add some calendula. So here's my dried calendula petals. I'm going to pick some of the petals off and sprinkle them in there. And you can also see in a couple of my molds, I have little slices of the loofah that I grew in my garden. So really utilizing everything here, and it just makes for fun, different bars of soap. So after I sprinkle those in, I'm going to give my soap base another stir. And then I start pouring it in. Once all my molds are filled, I spritz the top with some isopropyl alcohol, and that gets rid of the little bubbles that sit on the top. And then it just has to sit for 3 to 4 hours before I can take it out and see my soap. So here's the first one. I just love these molds with the cute little bees and the honeycombs and the flowers. I just think they're super cute. So there you have it. Pop the rest of them out. And that's really all you have to do. You can wrap them in plastic wrap and that will keep them from sweating too much. Or I like to put them in an airtight container with some of the little silica packs for about a day, and that draws out any extra moisture it releases, and then I can just store it in the airtight container.